Uh, practice paper set 3, paper 1, questions 9 onwards. Okay, A and B are regular polygons, so the exterior angle of A is x. Here is some information about them. The ratio of exterior angles is 1 to 3, A to B. Ratio of interior angles is 7 to 6. Write down an expression for the exterior angle of polygon B. Well, to get from A to B for the exterior angles, you multiply by 3. So this will be 3x. Prove that polygon A has 30 sides. Okay, so we know that external angle for A is x. So the internal angle for A is 180 minus x. The external angle for B is 3x. The internal angle is 180 minus 3x. I've got a choice here. I can go with sides minus 2 times 180 divided by n is the internal angle. I did work through that and I came out with it didn't really go anywhere. So to save time, I'm going to ignore that approach and use the ratios. So we know that 180 minus x to 180 minus 3x is in the ratio of 7 to 6. So if I multiply this side by 7 and this side by 6, they should be the same thing. So 6 times 180 minus x is equal to 7 times 180 minus 3x. Expand and simplify, so I get 1080 minus 6x equals 1260 minus 21x. So 15x equals 180. That's add 21 both sides. And minus 1080. So x is equal to 180 over 15, which is 12. Then using 360 over 12, that is equal to 30 degrees. 30 sides, sorry. Okay. Question 10. F is a continuous graph, so it's got no gaps. dy by dx equals 2, so that means the gradient equals 2 from 0 to 3, and it passes through the point 2, 1. So along 2, up 1. So it goes through that point there, and it's got a gradient of 2, which means it's going to go along 1, up 2. So it looks something like that. Oops, that should hit -3. Would use a ruler in an exam. From 3 to 5, it's got a gradient of 0, so that's going to be horizontal. And from 5 to 8, it has a gradient of -1. So it's going to go oh, beautiful. Okay. Angle theta is obtuse, and sine theta equals √5 over 3. So let's draw our triangle. Theta, root 5 over 3, so this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse, so that is root 5 over 3. Okay. So this third side of the triangle will be equal to root 5 squared, 3 squared minus root 5 squared, so that's 4, square root of 4 is equal to 2. So this third side is 2. So cos theta is equal to 2/3. But that angle is acute. Alright, if I think about my sine graph, it looks something like this. Here is root 5 over 3. So that is my acute, that's theta. And that is my obtuse theta. Obtuse theta. Okay. I'm going to draw my cos graph over the top of that as best I can to get it to match the right scale and everything. It's pretty bad. So on my cos graph, that is 2/3. That's fine. This one here will be negative, so cos theta will be negative 2/3 because the angle's obtuse. Okay. X plus 3 is a factor of x cubed minus 6x squared plus ax minus 12. Show that the value of a. So using the factor theorem, I know that f of negative 3 should be equal to 0. So negative 3 cubed plus 6 times negative 3 squared plus negative 3a minus 12 should be equal to 0. Negative 27 plus 54 minus 3a minus 12 is equal to 0. So that is 27 minus 12 is 3a is equal to 27 minus 12 is 15. So a is equal to 5. Hence, factorize fully x cubed plus 6x squared. So I guess we'll do long division. So x plus 3 into x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x minus 12. So we've got x squared, that is x squared plus 3x squared, subtract, it's 3x squared plus 5x minus 12 plus 3x. So that is going to leave us with 3x squared plus 9x, subtract, that's negative 4x minus 12, and that's negative 4. So we've got x plus 3, x squared plus 3x minus 4. This factorises to minus 4, or plus 4 minus 1, so it's x plus 3, x plus 4, x minus 1. Okay.